everybody is looking for the secret to genius. Here are the countries that might just hold the key. First up, the United States. Home to prestigious universities like Harvard and MIT, it's a powerhouse of innovation and research. Next, Germany. Renowned for engineering and technical expertise, Germany's education system is top-notch. Canada follows with its diverse and inclusive approach to education, fostering creativity and critical thinking. Japan is a tech giant, blending tradition with cutting-edge research. The United Kingdom boasts historical academic institutions like Oxford and Cambridge, influencing global education standards. Switzerland, although small, excels in research and development, particularly in pharmaceuticals. Singapore's rigorous education system produces top performers in international assessments. Finland is famous for its student-centered approach, prioritizing well-being and creativity. The Netherlands emphasizes innovation and critical thinking, making it a hub for scientific research. Finally, Sweden, with its strong focus on sustainability and technology, rounds out our list. These countries are leading the charge in developing the minds of tomorrow. Who knows, maybe your country is next.